Just wanted to shoot a quick video just to see how much I put in my washer today. Some people probably think I overloaded it, but it still worked great. I have these 2 large kitchen knives, all of these like kitchen utensils that I cooked with, you know, 3 glasses. They came out really nice and clean. 4 bowls. I have a plate here. I have a couple little, you know, plastic containers and stuff like that. And yeah, works well. Left everything nice and clean. No debris on the food. You know, I had cooked spaghetti and barbecue and it all came out. So it works well. Leaves your places, your dishes nice and hot and clean. So I'm with it.
Look at it! In comparison to the rest of my kitchen, those are my pots and pans. They're not gonna fit in there. But look at it! Dope!
Oh no. Oh my god. This thing really works. Look at that. That's amazing. I'm so happy.
Alright, so if you have this COMFEE dishwasher and you have the top thing that doesn't spin, I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's definitely an issue with an installation error, but you see how it doesn't spin. We'll wait for it to start up and get going. This takes forever. You see how it's not spinning at all? Just doesn't. But you can fix that. It's not broken. It's easily fixed. I just had to futz around with it. You see it's obviously not spinning. So what you do is, first off, you get soaking wet a little bit. You see this thing right here? This is what locks it into place. It twists. Watch. Do you hear that? Just a slight twist. And this whole thing comes out. Now what you're looking for, this is the way it was installed, right? Where is this camera? Alright. See how it's got the arrow this way? And on this side, it has nothing, okay? So you flip it over, right? Like it's still like this, and you just flip it over, take this thing out, and now you see this one says up. Can you see that? Up, right? So that means this needs to be facing like that. But when you get it, some of them are facing like this, and that's why they don't spin. So what you do is you flip it up, up. Take your little locky pin here, just slide it right in there, and then you reinstall it. You got to be careful because it's got 2 holes, so you got to find where it grips it, and then you just lock it into place like that. And let's see. So you got to wait 10 seconds for this thing to start back up again, but watch what this thing does now. You guys are going to love this machine. Whoa, did it spin? Did you see that? I missed it. I was looking out the window. Go on. Oh, it's spinning. It is spinning. Did you see that? It's like wanting to spin too. Simple little trick. And now you got a working dishwasher. Right? So, hope this helps you guys. Clean some dishes. Be happy with your purchases. Live long and prosper.
Very nice little dishwasher. You got a little tub set up down here where it drains into, and it doesn't hold a whole lot, but it does a really good job. You can hit normal and wrap it together to do a quick drain. If you mess something up, you can drain it and redo it. I always have the auto refresh on and do it normal just to make sure everything gets clean good. No complaints. It does well, really well.
I just love my dishwasher. You just don't know. I love it. Look at it. I love it. Yes. That's annoying.
Awesome. I really love that you can make sure that everything's moving the way that it's supposed to be between the top arms and the bottom arms. Yeah, everything's getting at least splashed on in there.
Okay, I have my flash on because the light turned off on the inside. You can see it working. There's a little Tupperware in the back that had food in it. It's actually dirty. It's the only really dirty thing I had. The rest is just like a little dirty. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm excited. I have to wait a whole 28 minutes.
First load going through.
Hello, this is a really good dishwasher. Used to have a pile of dishes in the sink. That's where you fill it up at. Yeah, this is where you fill it up at. This is the fill thing. Put it like over this and pour the water in. This is the basket we use. This is the best thing I've had.
This is what it looks like on my countertop. I have a little kitchenette. It's tiny, but it fits perfectly. I just use it for silverware, cups, bowls, small plates, and coffee cups. It cuts my dish time in half after a long day. And what I like about this is it comes with a pitcher to fill it up with and a safety water thing so you don't spill water all over the place. I think it's good if you're a single mom, a college student, someone who doesn't have a dishwasher in their apartment already, someone who is busy and doesn't have time to hand wash, and somebody who just wants to have like sanitized dishes. It's not as loud as some of the dishwashers are, and it lights up from the inside whenever you turn it on. So yeah, I think you should buy this. If you're on the fence about it and you have the money, I think you should do it.
So I had to take a break and sit down because I was just playing with this machine, trying to get it to work. And I really can't stand it a long time without getting really fatigued. That was the point of me buying this machine. But this is me trying to turn it back on. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. So I try to open it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's beeping. Okay, it's on. No, so I close it and I try to hit start. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Please, I'm begging you. This is not like a slander. Do not buy this. This is complete trash. It has not even been like this company, this brand, they're just terrible. So I'm just gonna put it on rapid because that's the only one it responds to. Now hit start. The start doesn't even work. Now I have to open it again. 2, 3, 4, 5. And close it. Let's try it again. Doesn't even work. Let's use one of the cycles. Doesn't even work. The worst experience in my life. Now I have to sit down because I'm getting fatigued. I really hate this machine. I just wouldn't even wish this on my worst enemy. Please don't buy it. Please don't buy it. Like, I don't know, the reviews may have been paid for and they're still being paid for, but not this one. So, nope, don't buy it.